When heat takes control, operations are at risk. That's why you need cooling you can trust. The new danthem ac15000. Mobile split system, high cooling capacity, maximum efficiency. Designed to perform across an exceptionally wide operating temperature range. Fast connections, simple setup, ready within minutes. Large spaces demand more than ordinary cooling, ensuring precise climate control. Efficient, reliable, ready for evolving standards. Compact design, seamlessly integrated into any environment for quiet, stable comfort. Built for flexible installation, adapts to complex layouts, delivering cooling where it's needed. And when flexibility matters most, control stays in your hands. One solution, many applications. Danthem AC15000. Powerful cooling for demanding environments.